take off these two. Then we gotta take 1, 2, probably a third one down there. Hopefully not. Probably just take these two out. Pull this back, and unclip that. Got 210s right here. There we go. And let's unplug this right here. Come on, there we go. Should just come out now with a little cog right here. Maybe. There we go, just like that. What else is this stuck on? Let's see. Nothing, just there's this. Let's go ahead and push this out somehow. Oh, never mind, came right out. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And we gotta take this off because that's gotta go on the new one. All right, good enough. Here are the new ones. Let's fish this guy back in there. There we go. Plug this in. Come on. Okay. And let's go and line these up right there. We go. I believe something is hitting. That last clip was an hour ago. Oh, hold on. Can't see it. We can go further. Let's see. Will it focus? Alright, so we have to bring the drill out, but we got it now. Let me go get some rust prevention spray paint, some sandpaper, and then just tidy this up. Alright, so took this out. All you gotta do is take a drill bit, the same size as the hole there, just drill it out. And then we're gonna take a hammer, block of wood, this right here, push that in flat. So you hammered it. Now, cover that up. I'm gonna put some silicone right there because it kind of split apart a little bit. So just put some silicone in there and spray that with this. All right, sprayed it down. Doesn't look the best, but honestly, might have just totaled my car. That's all right. It's an R title or R grade. Let's just wait like 3 minutes for that to dry, and then we'll toss that in. Just put some 3M tape right here, right along the top there, and then put it in, tape it up like this side so it holds. So we had a problem with these lights. What was the first one? Oh, the first one was that the fuse blew for the turn signals, or no, for the brake lights. So the brake lights just wouldn't work when you press them. They're all just like on high. That was fixed by going in here. There's the fuse box right there. And then it's a 20 amp stop. And let's look at this. turn signal, right? It's going way too fast. Way too fast, right? But we did a thing. On just the one. Alright, well, let's show me that. Why is it going fast? That was weird, but now it's going slow at a normal speed. So let me show you what it did with this one. All right, so what we're gonna do is use this load equalizing resistor. Comes in a pack of 2. You're gonna connect one end of this to the power for the turn signal here, and then one end to just a ground. Ground is gonna be black here. So let's go ahead and tap it into the ground here. Here we have it. As I said, one goes to the power for the turn signal, one goes to ground. Splice that in. Now let's go ahead and put this onto the car. Back at it. It's been like probably an hour or 2. I went ahead and soldered this in to the yellow wire, and to the ground is just using the that connector. But the other one was soldered. It just wouldn't work if I didn't. I don't know, but we got the heat gun. We're gonna put the hot glue inside of these because it just doesn't want to stay in. So hopefully it'll mold to this shape and hold the headlight or the tail light in. Just like that. I'm all done. Went ahead and used some double-sided tape and put the heatsink down there. Now let's go and put our interior back.